that when the bodies are moving in the opposite direction, suppose, so what is going to happen, these bodies are moving in the opposite direction. So in this case what is going to happen, the velocity becomes what, they are going to add हो जाएगी, they are going to add, right? Now how they are going to add, let us see that this is a formula. VAB will be what, VA minus of minus VB. Why minus? Because the body is coming in the opposite direction, so it will be VA plus VB, right, at that time. So let me show you again by using the same, okay, this will be like this. See, suppose you have the bodies are moving in the opposite direction. That means this is the A body and this was the B body. Both are moving in the opposite directions. Okay, so this velocity is VA and this velocity is VB, right? So what is the velocity VAB? I will write the formula as what, VA minus of minus VB. Why this minus? Again, because they are moving in the opposite direction, so it will be VA plus VB. So that means when the bodies are moving in the opposite direction, you have to add the velocities to get the relative velocity. Similarly, VBA will be also VB plus VA. Both makes the same sense here. Okay, दोनों same sense बता रहे हैं यहाँ पे. Both makes the same sense here, right? It's a very very important topic because इसमें बहुत सारे question will be asked in the NCERT also. There are many questions, many examples are given. Okay, many questions are there on the relative velocity. Very important, right? So let us, I will show you one simulation, or a simple simulation. What is a simulation? It is a live, a formula based program, okay, where the formula is put on the physics, okay, and you have to solve that. So the simulation is like this basically. Okay, this is a simulation, okay, where what is happening, there are two this cycle person right here. Okay, this green one is traveling with the higher velocity and red one is traveling with the lower velocity here, right? So what you have to identify, you have to identify the correct velocity by which they can cross this in 1 second only, according to this graph. 1 second, okay, here the 1 second is little bit here elapsed. Don't consider it as a 1 second normal of the clock. ये थोड़ा सा इसमें elapse किया हुआ है time, so that you can observe the motion very carefully, right? So I am keeping this myself as an observer. I am keeping it stationary, and now they will be running. Okay, how they will be running, let us see that. Okay, it's a very very important exercise to observe, right? See, first and foremost, I kept the velocity here as 1 meter, 2 meter per second of the Yari. Then will they able to cross? See the graph in the 1 second. The answer is what? No. Okay, they are not able to cross in the 1 second. Okay, let us increase some velocity of the red person name is Yari. I will increase some velocity of it. Let me increase some velocity. Let me take it as 4 meter per second. Let's just try. Can look at the graph. Can they able to cross in 1 second? Both the velocities will be added. Okay, see, because they are coming in opposite direction. The answer is no. Again, they are not able to. Let me increase some more velocity. Let me take it as 5. Now can they cross each other in 1 second as per the graph? Let us see that. Well, the answer is again no. Okay, so let me increase to 6. This time I think most probably they will do it. Okay, 6 करता हूँ तो ये कर लेंगे. See, if I do 6, they will cross. Surely they will cross in 1 second. Exactly in the 1 second, in the 6 they have crossed, right? So likewise this you can make this, you can see that relative velocities, these two velocities are added as per my observation. Okay, I am observing from the ground, and they are able to cross there in the 1 second exactly, right? Okay, so this is how it works out, right? The relative velocity is very important topic. Okay, and इसके ऊपर बहुत सारे questions भी होते हैं जो कि आपको solve करने हैं. So that's all for the lecture. I hope you like this lecture, and then we'll solve some questions in the next lecture also. I'll give you